Lebak sin bathung na chahi amada anirak pangtopa National Lok Adalat State ki oina su chahi sigi oina aroiba oina district khuding makta pangtokli. National Lok Adalat ki thoramasi state asida National Legal Services Authority ki makada Manipur State Legal Services Authority ka khusamnaduna District Legal Services Authority singna Magi district singda pangtokpani. Aroiba Lok Adalat asi Imphal East amusung West ki oina su Imphal gi Lamphel Part Court Complex ta pangtokli. Lok Adalat asida district ani sigi miyamna makoi gi leiriba tongan ba case sing loishinnabagi damak saruk yari. Tongan ba bench ahum khaidoktuna pangthokliba National Lok Adalat adu Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice M Sundar na luching dun ba kangbu amana yangsili. Adalat asigi matangda Justice Sundarna Lok Adalat lakwa case amasong settle tawbo case ki masing asi kumjali sing aniga kunga mathoi dagi hengalakli. Adalat asida khwaidagi henna leiba case ki settlement adu thintaba leitana piri. Chahiye sigi oina ngasi pangthokliba aroiba Adalat asinasu case kaya settle tawba ngamgani haibagi thazaba lei hairi.
Today, 4,923 cases are listed in the 13 benches put together in the 9 districts, and Jeribam, which is in Imphal East, and the High Court bench, which is held by the High Court Legal Services Committee. And the High Court Legal Services Committee, already the cases have been settled, and many cases are getting settled. I would earnestly appeal to all the litigants as well as the public sector undertakings and the government entities to come forward and participate in this Lok Adalat so that we can give closure to more number of cases.